Hi everyone, and welcome back to another cash stuffing video for the month of May. Hopefully this will go out on time, but the last one definitely did not. Really sorry about that, guys. My work schedule got completely flipped on its head, and yeah, I was just really exhausted for the month. Not for the month. You know what I mean. I was exhausted. Changes in schedules and that really screws me over. Really messes with my mental health. So, you know, on the up though, we are cash stuffing for week 3. We are cash stuffing for week 3. And I've just noticed all the cat hair on the table. We love having black cats. So let's get started by pulling out our cash for the week. We are on week 3. And I went to a cash point that had £5 notes in this week, so yay me. Right, let's give this a count. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 165, 170, 175, 180, 185, 190. And that is our cash for the week. So let's go into our Saffiano. Where we will find a bunch of shrapnel, which I will pull out of here. And I will leave that to the side. We did a really bad job with groceries this week. So my partner and I went to Asda on the Sunday, and we just bought a few little bits and pieces basically for that day, but it came to about £35. So all that beautiful work we did rolling over so much money this week all kind of got cast aside and basically went down a pooper because we got some fancy bread. And then the actual grocery shop we did on Wednesday, which is our normal grocery shopping day, came to about £77. So I had to pull some out of spending and out of household to make that work. So that was not great. But anyway, we can stuff again. Look how crinkly this wallet's getting. I've had it for 3 weeks and it's already getting crinkly. Good thing I've got a decent supply. Anyway, groceries is getting its usual 70. Get these the right way round, yep. 20, 40, 60 and the 70. And we are going to roll our D10, which is one of these. It's this one, to see how much is going in our savings from the D10 challenge. And it's a 5, which is really handy. So I'm going to swap this out for 2 5s. So I'm going to take the more crinkly 5 in my spending, or groceries rather, but so for this week we've got £65 going in groceries, which I think should be enough. We did a pretty big shop, and my fiance today decided to cook his family and us a roast, so he's gone and done some like vegetable shop, and I think he's overdone it a little bit, mainly because my mother-in-law is a bit of an overfeeder, so right, spending. I'm actually going to not put anything at all into spending this week. Shock horror. I just feel like I need to get a grip on things and I just need to not spend. So we are skipping spending, and the 30 that I have here that normally goes in spending, we're going to do something different with. But for household, we are going to put our usual 10. Hopefully we'll get to use this on household stuff this time around, but yeah, I mean, there was a few items in there in our grocery shop that might have been considered household, but not really enough for that £10 to get used for groceries. But that is it for the Saffiano. Gonna go into my variable binder next. So this week going out is getting 10, which will be nice. We are skipping hair and beauty. Hobbies, I'm gonna come back to. We might do something interesting with hobbies as well. Home and garden is getting skipped. Trips is getting skipped. Clothes is getting skipped. Therapy is getting skipped. And pets is getting another 10. Because I think it's coming up near the time when cat food needs to come out of my account. So putting that in there just in case. I'm going to take this 20 out of here for now in the hobbies. Because I want to put a bit more in savings. So we'll see. Right, into challenges and big savings folder. Here we are. So penny challenge, we have already got our pennies out. If you can hear chopping in the background, it is my other half. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 62, 64, 66. So that is all going to go in here, and I am going to cross off the 66. I like that we're doing something with these coins, but it feels like it's going so slowly. But I think that's just the case with all of this. I mean, it's not even been a month yet, and I'm already like, why haven't I saved more money? Why haven't I saved like thousands of pounds when I don't even earn thousands of pounds in a month? So yeah, that's just me having my usual all or nothing mentality. So 66 is in there. Pound challenge is getting another £3. We got the 5 from the D10 challenge. So we're going to pop that in there. Cross off a 5. It's nice that we've got nothing lower than a 5 on this one, actually. Feels nice to be doing the big ones and getting them out of the way. But the thing about the D10 challenge is it'll never be more than 10, which is nice. Right, D20 challenge. I'm gonna roll this twice, maybe 3 times. And we are gonna use the 50 that would have been my hobbies money and my spending money. And we're gonna, yeah, see where that gets us. And I'm gonna cross them off as I go so that I don't forget what I'm doing. Hello, cat. You can't be in the video, I'm afraid. There's a lot of cash here and I don't want to lose it, unfortunately. Right. Let's close this up just for now. And here we go. So, D20 challenge. We've got a D20. I'm gonna give it a roll. First off is 10, which is really handy because we were doing 50. So that 10 is gone. We'll cross off the 10. Roll number 2. 13. So that is 10, 13, so that's 23 so far. And I'm gonna roll again, because we can do it. And that is a 9. So 10, 13, and 9. That is 32. I'm good at maths. Let me just double check that on the calculator. 10 plus 13 plus 9 equals 32. As long as I get lower than an 18 on this next roll, I could do 4 rolls. Let's see. It's a 4. 4 is good. So we'll add a 4 to that. Plus 4. So we're at 36. We could probably keep going. No, we can't. Right, so not gonna bother anymore. Right, so 36 is going in here. I'm gonna swap this 20 for all the 5s that I got. So that is 35. And I think there was a 1 in there. Let's double check. It was a 2, but I can swap that out. Wait, that makes no sense. Why am I trying to do it like that? So there's 22 in there now and 36 here. So in the end I need 38. 48. No, 58. I'm good at counting. Right, let's just put this in here. Really good at maths. And I'm gonna swap one of these 5s out for my 5s change. And then a 1 goes in. It was really that simple. So this £4 I'm going to put into, I think I'm going to put this £4 into my, I'm going to put this into my D10 and just cross off a 4. Like so. I want to be saving more, and I think if I'm stricter with myself on my budget, I'm not gonna like give myself the leeway that I've been messing around with a lot. So let's do that. In there. Okay. Right, savings wise, we need to put some money into gifts. I'm actually gonna take the 10 out of Christmas and put it into gifts, along with in fact, let me swap this out. I want 30 in here total, so I'm going to put 30 in here. Making this confusing. I need 30 in there, so I've pulled that out. Debts is getting 50, but I could do 60, so I think I'm going to do 60. And that means that in total in debts so far for our first month in week 3, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So we got 160 in here so far, which is pretty good. 160 going into debts on top of my usual credit card payments and stuff. So yeah. This is good. And that is it for the week. Yeah. I'm pretty happy with that. We saved a lot. There's like over £50 in the D20 challenge now, which is really exciting. I didn't put the card back in, but that is really exciting to me. Well, nearly £60 in fact. So I'm really happy with that. Probably should have been focusing more on the D10 challenge, come to think of it, because the D10 challenge I wanted to be a little bit shorter term. But I've crossed off the things now. Do I want to just print out a new one and start again with the D20 challenge? Maybe. Because I really wanted to use this D10 challenge money for spending money for my 2 holidays coming up in late August, September sort of time. So yeah, you know what? We're going to just re-roll a bunch. We're going to re-roll everything that's in the D20 challenge. Okay. Bit of a curveball here, everybody. We were on one trajectory and now we've gone in a completely different direction, but it's fine. It's fine. Right, let's do our very first roll. Tuck this back away. First roll is a 5. Easy enough. Cross off a 5. Next up. In fact, I'm going to get my calculator up and going ahead of time. 5. 3. So we are at 8. Absolutely fine. 0. 1 plus 1. We're still fine. Let's roll again. Got our first 9 of today, anyway. Plus 9. Where are we at? We are at 18. We've got 50. We've got £58 here, so we've still got another 40. Got 1. Got 8. We're at 27. Get a 6. This is our first 6 total, so that's cool. We're at 33. Get a 7. That takes us to 40, so we've got about £18 left to, and we've got 5 first. Zero, roll again, another 5, so we've got 8 left. So 1. And there's the 8, but I'm just gonna cross off another 7. Okay, so now it looks like we're making progress. I like this better. Yes, I'm happy with that. And it is my most immediate saving concern, so it's good that we're doing this. And to be honest with you, I might start rolling it on a lot of things. I might roll it 3 times for spending, rather than giving myself the D20 challenge. We'll see. Let me know what you think. Should I just focus on this as like my immediate concern, or should I maybe spread my savings out a little bit? got 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. 75. Did I count that wrong? Let me count that. 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. That's a 5 there, 80. £83 in here. We've got £83 saved in this already. I'd say that's about a fifth of the way through, which is great news, considering we really don't have much time to do this in, as it's May. So, yes, I'm happy with that. Thank you all for sticking with me through that weird U-turn thing that we just did. And yeah, thank you all ever so much, and I'll see you guys next time.